Hello my gingerbread and jellybean, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Now, thank you guys for tuning into the channel. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and share for more. Click the notification bell and please watch the advertisement. That is what pays. I need to start saying that more. If you guys watch the ads or clear the ads, that's how I make a little money. And you know, it's quarantine time, it's pandemic time, and you know, every little dollar counts. So if you guys can support the channel by watching the ads, then I'd greatly appreciate that. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks to all the new subscribers, thanks to all the new gingerbread and jellybean and all, you know, gingerbread and jellybean. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I know I haven't posted I'll post a video last week, so now I'm jumping into this. Remember to check out the live videos, those are fun as well. I come on whenever I can. And thanks, I reached 2,400 subscribers a year. You know, thank you guys for tuning in, thank you guys for supporting. This is organic growth, it's not forced growth. I'm not really begging people just coming on and after they watch a video and subscribing. So hope you guys continue to watch. Now, this video is pertaining to Jamaica and what is going on down there. As you know, Jamaica kind of have an archaic system where the banking sector is not in tune with people. You have a lot of people that don't have bank accounts in Jamaica, and due to this pandemic that is going on, a lot of people are not able to go online to do certain stuff for various reasons. A lot of Jamaicans are not tech savvy. A lot of older Jamaicans cannot read or write. A lot of them don't know how to manipulate a system or know how to go online to do certain things. Even though many of them have smartphones, a lot of them don't have internet. So I would say about probably half the country have access to internet and half the country don't. Or maybe I'm wrong, I can be corrected. But there's this inequality where it is concerned with internet access, not because of rich or poor, but because of connectivity. Because we don't have fiber optics running all across the island. Now the government is trying to do that and trying to provide internet access. Also, Jamaica don't have 5G at the moment, but if we did have 5G, it would be better for every individual, especially for children, now that kids have to stay home and have to access schoolwork online. A lot of kids don't have access, and this was a number given yesterday by the government. There's like 38,000 students don't have access to internet at home. So that's a huge number. That's very big for the island. So you can just imagine not being in school physically and you have to stay home and you don't have access to internet online. That is very, very bad. So the government is trying to change that by basically rolling out fiber optics all across the island. They're trying, and it's going to take a little while for that to come into effect so you can actually have internet access at your home. Now, going right back to the point that I'm trying to make. So what I'm trying to say is that a lot of people are not tech savvy. They don't know how to use the internet. So what I'm going to do in my upcoming videos, I'm going to basically try to educate people on how to operate online, what type of things they can do to basically, you know, educate themselves, one, access the internet, two, even get prices for you guys to access the internet in Jamaica. And this might can help people around the world that have problem connecting to the internet or have problems using the internet. I'm going to talk about technologies that we use today in first world countries, or people use today, even in Jamaica, to access their bank accounts and banking information and stuff like that. So this video is basically to tell you guys what I'm going to do in the next upcoming videos. So I'm going to probably post this and then upload one episode after this so you guys can get it. So I just want to put this out there that upcoming videos are going to be about that. And what is that? Educating people on how they can actually traverse the internet and use the internet to better their lives and make things better, especially for Jamaican people. So tune into that. Remember to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. Leave a comment below what you think about this, and I'll jump into all that stuff, you know, educating people and all of that. So thanks again for the new subscribers. Thanks for boosting the channel. Remember to click the ads. JVLOGS, Mark Plunkett. I am out.